back to the channel. My name is David.
I'm Tina, and it's been a couple of months since we put out a travel video.
Yeah, life has thrown us some events. It's all good, but more to come on that later.
In the meantime, we're excited to kick off our fall trip series as we head northeast and make our way back home. Our first stop begins in Somerset, Pennsylvania at the Somerset Campground and Resort. This little gym has a lot to offer.
Yeah, the pups had a great time as well. Well, just check out the video. Hey, welcome back. I'm under the umbrella. You're under the umbrella with Dave. And we are in Somerset, Pennsylvania, just right outside of Shanksville, Pennsylvania. And I found this cute little campground. It is called Somerset Campground Resort, and it's not huge, but it's very quaint. It's very woodsy, and well, here, let me show you. Turn the camera around. So here is our rig. We are at site number 2. Site number 1, and I think these are rentable. I'll have to look on the website again. But there looks to be what I'll call some residents here, or maybe some long-term stayers. Long-term stayers? Is that the right word? But, you know, and we're here in late September. And as you can see, all these like flowers and these fields. Just beautiful little area. And they have quite a few pull-throughs, maybe some buddy sites. And it's very gravelly. It's all gravel, and it's pretty well packed down. I missed our spot when we came in, so I had to drive down through here and go around. Now, they do rent these cabins, and they are very cool. I'll show you some along the backside. But the site itself is not managed on site. So you basically you just show up and you just find your spot and you park. They have a phone number you can call, and they will get back to you when they can. So you'll have to be prepared for that. I had a hard time finding our site number, and I looked all through the email. And if you're like us, a lot of times you make these reservations well in advance. And I'm pretty sure people don't remember every site number that they booked. So anyway, I found our site number. It was in the email, and I pulled right in. Anyway, I pulled around through here, so I had to come down through this area here and come around. The back over here, behind these wooden panels, are some hot tubs, and here are some shower rooms and restrooms. And down there, those little A-frame looking homes are basically beds. So you basically have a bed. I think each one has a Wi-Fi connect, or they have a Wi-Fi set up so that you can get on the internet. So before we check those out, here's a little playground. There's like a little sitting area. It looks like there is, I forget what they call those camp stoves. I'd like to actually get one. Just one more thing to carry though. But here are the hot tubs. And you know, for a site or for a campground that's not, I'll say, actively managed by an on-site staff, it's very well kept. Here's a view from the, we'll call it the bottom side of the campground, looking up towards the RVs. As you can see, they have plenty of little cabins. But back to the little cabins, just to check this out. looks like they have some trails you can maybe hike on. Now that looks to be like a little pond down there with a lot of lily pads. So I guess proceed with caution. Tina and I won't be going down there. It's been a rainy trip so far. But here's one of these cabins, and as you can see, it has a bed, Wi-Fi, it has a little coffee pot, and a little kitchenette, if you will. Hope you can see that in the recording. Actually, let's go around to the side, take a look. Here you go. Kind of hard to see, but it's enough for a person to kind of just get some rest and take in this beauty. I bet you in the summertime, you know, actually in the fall, like it is now, especially when it's at peak season for the leaves, this would be absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful now, but leaves are just now really starting to change. So here's one of those stoves. Looks like they have one, maybe at each. These A-frames. Looks to be that way. This would be kind of cool. Little getaway. All right, we're gonna walk on up this hill and check out the rest of the park. All right, here is number 16 of these little cabins, and I don't know if they're occupied. I don't want to go peeking in the windows, but they look pretty cool. I think they'd be fun to stay in. So if you're coming here in an RV and you want to visit with some folks that don't have an RV, you can stay here, some of these cabins. Making our way back up to the front, and I'll show you the entrance and what you need to be aware of if you get some of these sites up front. So here are some of the back-end sites. This would be 33, 32, 31, 30, and down to where that RV with all the wood is. Now, just a note, it is right near a road. It's not a heavily traveled road, but I've heard some, I'll say some dump trucks come along, you know, in the morning hours. Anyway, here's where you come in. It is one way. And again, like I said, we missed our spot because I couldn't find the daggone site number we were supposed to be in initially. And as you make your way around, here is site 2. So you'll have to make a wide swing to kind of get in straight. Now, this is interesting. I don't know if it's rentable. I thought it was the office at first, but check this out. Dog stick library. I have no idea what that means, but there's these little posts sticking out. I don't think they come out. Nope, they're solid. You know, if that means something, let me know. I don't know. And there are some utensils here for cooking. And a Nook hook. Again, I don't know. Maybe this is a dog resort. But it's kind of cool. So we had a really good time at the campground. Would you go back?
Absolutely. I love this little campground, and it was in the fall, and the trees smelled so great. It was like fresh cut pines, and the little A-frame homes. I just loved it. So yes, I would definitely visit this campground again.
All right, so stay tuned for upcoming videos, and until next time.
Happy fall, everyone.
All right, talk to you soon.